Hi, I'm Tim Bartz here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a special video on the Mach-E. So I have my son Jeffrey Bartz here, the owner of this Mach-E behind us, and he wanted to really do something special to his Mach-E. So he was sharing with me some things that he's doing to it. So Jeff, tell us a little bit about your Mach-E first, and then of course what you're doing to it.
So this is my 23 Select trim, all-wheel drive, and yeah.
Standard range,
Standard
right? So which doesn't matter on
range.
most of the stuff, but cool. What color is this? This is the
space
white. Space white. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, so you've so this in here, you know, Mach-E, they don't make not a lot of companies make any kind of accessories for the Mach-E, but Air Design does. So so tell us a little bit about what are some of the Air Design stuff that you added to the Mach-E here?
So we got the rocker molding.
Okay, on
the bottom there.
All right, those look pretty cool. And then one of the things I'm noticing here on this one is a lot of them I'm seeing online, I see the gloss black on these, and yours has the satin black. So it matches up perfectly since you have a Select trim. It doesn't have the gloss black fender flares and lower rocker molding like that one. So so whether you have a Platinum or a Select like Jeff does here, you can get it to match with the rest of your body, so it just fits and looks really good. So okay, so you got that. Anything else?
Yep, then you get the front.
Okay, the front chin splitter,
yeah.
Right? Which looks really good. It kind of goes up over that bumper, right? Yeah. And matches in really well, and gives it a nice sporty look down here. And so now you can, yeah. So that'll really help out a lot too, because it does help a little bit with downforce, but it's all about the look on this here. So pretty cool. And then you added some things to the back too, right? I saw that because I helped you install one of them.
Yeah.
So what's great about these kits is you can take them, you can get them through Ford Accessories website, but you can also and have them come in, and then you can put them on yourself if you want. And that's what we did on these bottoms. I remember that. Yeah. So the rear valance down here on the back, the diffuser, yeah, the diffuser's down there. Those are really cool. Two pieces there, left and right. And again, getting in either the gloss black or the satin on these. And these being the satin, that fits really nicely with the Select trim, and it goes real nicely there. So that's pretty cool. So, and then the rear spoiler. Yep. So this the rear spoiler only comes in the gloss black. I know that. So that comes on the back, and then you can put it on yourself, or have somebody put it on for you. So pretty cool on that. So yeah, it really dresses it up. So adding all these body kits to, again, can be added to any of your Mach-E's, although not probably on the Rally, but you can put it on the Select, the Premium, or the GT, and they look really nice. Really gives it a nice addition to the Mach-E and give it a nice look, and so it's pretty cool. So whether you have a Select, get the satin black if you're getting a Select on these pieces. If you have a Premium or a GT, you're going to want to go with the gloss black finish on those if you're ordering those. Again, go to Ford's website, fordaccessories.com. Air Design is partners exclusively with them, and so you can always find their stuff. What I love about Air Design is that, you know, they are always the first to get some stuff out there, and so they do some really cool stuff. And I got a lot of Air Design stuff on my Maverick that I had, as well as some other vehicles. So definitely Air Design's a good way to go. So you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty pumped up about it. So, all right, that's what I have for this video. So again, thanks to Air Design so that we can do this video on this. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Really dresses it up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to find videos like this, plus any educational videos on Ford products, make sure you're subscribed with that bell notification turned on so you don't miss any video. And until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.